And to make it even clearer, just so you're understanding exactly what we're doing, let's get this out of the clamp. There'll be this piece here, this small piece here, which will go back on like so. We just need to shake it on, weld it on, and we're done. Smooth as. Alright, here's finished product, as you can see, fully welded on. Small little repair to do here, I'll probably weld that. But yeah, it's back on, as you can see, guys, yeah? Welded straight through. I'm going to continue grinding. As you can see, we've got it back on there nicely. On the other side, I do weld on both sides as well, and I'll be rubbing that down as well. And that's ready to go back in. Smooth as.